Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting essential tools ready. Install Git and configure your user. Name and user. Email so commits attribute correctly. Once done, make or confirm a GitHub account and generate an SSH key for secure pushes, or choose HTTPS if you prefer passwords. Now open a terminal, change directory to your project, and run Git init to make a local repo. Add a README. MD and git add. Then git commit m, initial commit, to record your first snapshot. Next, create a remote repository on GitHub with a clear name, then connect your local repo to it. You do this by adding a remote. Git remote add origin followed by the SSH or HTTPS URL. Make sure your branch name matches the remote's default. Rename to main if necessary. Once connected, push your commits with git push uorigin main, which sets the upstream so future pushes use git push. Finally, make small edits, git add, git commit, and push frequently to keep repos in sync. To work safely, create a feature branch with git checkout bfeature/name so you isolate changes. Push that branch to GitHub and open a pull request for review. You should explain why the change exists in the PR description and request at least one reviewer. Once approved, merge via the GitHub UI or locally with git checkout main followed by git merge feature/name, then git push. If something goes wrong, run git status to inspect. Git log one line to trace commits, and use git reset or git revert as appropriate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.